good, huh?
Okay.
Not that you do mind, but
Yep.
I think it would be a great shot if
Maybe we take I'm just thinking.
like maybe if you're sending books, you're sitting right over here.
Sure.
And I'm gonna be over there. I love these white.
You think we could do security through there?
Yeah, we'll see.
Not that bad actually.
Well, this is cool because this is on the DVD here, so.
Right here?
That's perfect. That's perfect. A little, yeah, like sit on a little spot there. That was great. I love the cute. Yeah, I love. Yeah.
There you go. That's our practice for the wife carrying contest.
Yes, exactly.
And you know what? Actually, I'm not gonna do the flowers in this shot.
Okay.